Sood created a lot of ruckus in Mumbai, Maharashtra's politics. Suddenly, the Shiv Sena MP and Rajya Sabha member from Shiv Sena and Samna's, Shiv Sena's mouthpiece Samna's executive editor wrote a piece in Samna criticizing Sonu Sood, calling him a face of BJP or someone who has been put up a front of BJP so that the Maharashtra government can be criticized. Yesterday, Sanjay Raut raised questions over Sonu Sood, but yesterday night, Sonu Sood went to Matoshri, the residence of Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray and Minister Aditya Thackeray, and met with the Chief Minister. And after that, Sonu Sood spoke to media and clarified that there is no issue at this point of time. Let's listen in to what Sonu Sood said first.
They are all supporting it, and it's not about any particular party or anything. We have to support all the people who are suffering, जिनको हमारी ज़रूरत है. हम लोग पहुँचेंगे और मैं पहुँचता रहूँगा जब तक आखिरी माइग्रेंट अपने घर तक नहीं पहुँचूगा. And every party from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, everyone has supported, and want to thank everyone for that.
लेकिन कुछ गलतफहमियां थी वो दूर हो गई.
कोई गलतफहमियां नहीं, सब ठीक है. You know, everyone wants to do good to the country, and we are there for them. Thank you so much.
Actually, Sonu Sood was seen on the road helping the migrant, because the migrant crisis was at peak at that point of time. The migrants wanted to go back to their villages and was not getting any help from the center as well as the state government. It was Sonu Sood who started this movement of giving them buses, providing them food and providing them with the train tickets. And that's how the Sonu Sood came to limelight. But it looks like that Sanjay Raut, the Shiv Sena MP, had its own view about why Sonu Sood suddenly became so popular and started seeing in the social media helping the migrants. Let's take a look at what happened with the whole Sonu Sood politics.
Sonu and restaurateur Neeti Goyal have sent close to 20,000 desperate migrants home during the pandemic by bus, train and even chartered flights. But Sonu's big relief work has angered the Shiv Sena, that's part of the ruling Maha Aghadi government. In an editorial in its party mouthpiece Samna, Shiv Sena MP Sanjay Raut has hit out at Sonu Sood, calling him a BJP puppet. The Shiv Sena alleges that Sonu Sood was adopted by the BJP to be a front, and that he doesn't have any credibility since he charges a fee to mouth dialogues and has portrayed negative characters in films. The editorial also alleges that Sonu Sood has been accused of charging 1.5 crore rupees to promote the BJP on social media. The Sena says that the BJP is using the actor by projecting him as a Mahatma.
हमने सिर्फ बताया कि इतना बड़ा काम जो केंद्र सरकार नहीं कर सकती, राज्य सरकार को लॉकडाउन में बहुत से प्रॉब्लम्स आ रहे थे, तो एक व्यक्ति कैसे कर सकती है? अगर आपके साथ अगर कोई राजकीय यंत्रणा, कोई बड़ी ताकत नहीं हो सकती, तो आप इतना बड़ा काम नहीं कर सकते. ये अकेले व्यक्ति का काम नहीं होता.
The BJP, of course, has hit back at the Shiv Sena, saying that the Sena is getting frustrated and is deflecting attention from the failures of its own government in Maharashtra.
पूरी तरह से सभी फ्रंट पर महाराष्ट्र की सरकार विफल है, और अभी उनकी विफलता सोनू सूद पर आरोप करके चुप नहीं सकती. उनको इस बात की जिम्मेदारी लेनी होगी.
Meanwhile, Sena's Aghadi ally, the Congress, has come out in the actor's support.
As far as I know, Sonu Sood is a good friend of mine, and he was in touch with me also. I have also arranged trains for him and all. He was trying to help the migrant workers to reach their places, as well as he's not done in Maharashtra. He has been doing in all the little states.
As Maha politics explodes over relief work, have Sonu Sood and his humanitarian gestures become a casualty of politics? More importantly, if people are being helped in their thousands, where's the space for politics at all? With Sahil Joshi in Mumbai, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.